Good day, everyone. Welcome back to the Fidus Trading channel. As usual, we'll be covering the pairs for today, Friday, the 21st of February, 2025. Starting with NAS 100, as usual, what we can observe is that on the daily time frame, we have found some resistance at 22,100, and the pair has broken down back below that resistance channel as expected. Now, that being said, although there was a break below, price does seem to be looking to make an uptrend again. The pair is very much bullish per the bullish trend line that we do have, so this is not unexpected. However, I see that momentum is slowing down on the 4-hour chart, and we do have bullish pin bars, bearish pin bars. However, not a lot of momentum to break past that level. Going into the 1 hour, we can see that from this morning, we very much just have a consolidation phase. That drop yesterday was at the open of the US markets. And since then, price has come back to a level of equilibrium where buyers and sellers have found fair market value. However, that being said, price still is in a consolidation for now. As I stated earlier, I was looking for either clean break below that 22,070 level to look for a sell. So we've had that break. Now I will be looking for a sell all the way down to this trend line. Please note that on a long-term scale, we are still very much bullish long-term time frame. So I would only be looking to scalp it all the way down to the trend line around 21,900. And just to be cautious, please excuse me, I'm suffering from the flu a little. And just to be cautious, I would actually be looking to take profits at around 21,960. I think that's a safer bet before it actually reaches that trend line. Looking at US 30, from a broad time frame, we can see that that resistance level at 45,000 is still holding strong, and that resistance level that we marked up for support yesterday at 44,300 has been broken. Now, it has been broken. I do expect a retest and a further decline towards the support level of 43,900. Now, price is still a bit of a ways away. We still have about, I want to say about 120 pips or so to go before we reach that level. So price can push up, tap that level, and then move further down. But for now, not really looking to trade it. Please also note that because it's Friday and I do not like holding trades over the weekend due to market volatility, market gaps. If I take any trades today, they will be scalps, and I will have them close before the market closes today. I've seen it way too many times where there's gaps in the market open, which then in turn push beyond our stop loss and then cause us some mischief moving forward. So just remember that within your risk management, that when the market does open on Monday, there will be gaps, and you need to be cautious about where those gaps could potentially be placed. So yeah, with US 30 just waiting for this break and retest of the level of significance at 44,300. Gold has been a surprising one. So we finally have the bears stepping into the market as expected. Wow, it's been a while. We've been waiting for the bears to step in. I mean, we've had bullish divergence for the longest period of time. But yeah, with the bears fully stepping into the market, what we can observe is that price has broken below the channel which we've marked and is potentially going towards this trend line here, settling at price 2882. So I'm looking to trade short all the way to price 2882. I do believe we are long overdue for a correction, and this would be my game plan. I'm actually looking for a short position right now. As you can see on the 5-minute time frame, sorry, let's just go on to the 1 hour. As you can see, I've marked off a level of support right here. So if we were to just extend this channel just a little bit, just so we can have more clarity. So yeah, that was my initial support. Yeah, right about there. I actually just want to get those wicks that were present yesterday. So we had marked this off at 2926 as initial support. Price has broken below that today. Coming onto the 15 minutes, we can see it's broken below and it is already looking for a retest. Our RSI is below 50 on the 15 minute, which means it would be valid for us to take a trade, and there is multiple confluences. As a matter of fact, looking to see how this closes, this could potentially be a bearish signal for us to take, if I'm not mistaken, an evening stop. So just depending on how this candle closes, I would be looking to short this pair. As you can see, I've already set up the confluences for it with my stop loss above 2934, and then looking to trade it all the way down to, as mentioned, 2881 right there. So yeah, gold I think is getting some movements, not looking to hold it over a weekend, so I would take a very safe 0.01 trade as to not blow my risk to reward ratio. Looking at my baby. Sorry, just got a bit excited because I had entered a trade for Euro USD at the signal right there. Price is moving up. I was like, oh, maybe it was the wrong signal. But as it turns out, I was correct and price is moving in my favor. So how did I come to the conclusion that price is going down? Well, firstly, I was trading it short. I did see a euro weakness. I'm also noting the resistance line here at 1.05200. Took a short on this position, ran it all the way down to the trend line. Price came back up, finding resistance here at 1.05, which is also a psychological level. Price found that resistance at 1.05. It also created three black crows. As we can see, minimal wicks here. Three black crows, price tested, pushed up, came back down. So in my head, I knew that the shorts were in play. I waited for this candle to close, giving us a good level of pullback right there. And then just pretty much waiting on the signal, which was this one. And now price moving bearish. Levels of confluence include this break and retest right there. Our RSI is below 50, which is awesome. And then, of course, the major market directional buys being bearish. Looking at EURJPY, also general euro weakness with yen strength. Yen has been super strong for the past few weeks. We are moving within this bearish trend line. This bearish trend line has been tapped for the third time. RSI below 50, so market directionality is bearish. Then after tapping that level, creating a double top formation, we had a break of structure right here at 157,700. Price pushing below, coming down into a lower time frame. We're seeing price come back up, spike upon the break and retest of 157,700, and then of course looking for an entry. I missed this one, but I got in right here with my stop loss above 157.85, and now market running pretty strong. I'm looking to trade this all the way down to the support of 155.500. I do believe yen is super strong. I do believe we are going to supersede this level. I'm going to trade towards this level of support at 156.400 with caution, but for the most part, I know that this pair is going to fall, and I want to ride that wave all the way down. So I'm short on Euro USD, and let's just take a look and see what happened with gold. I just want to see what it closed at. Okay, so we closed the bearish signal. Not enough for me to take the trade though. I need a confirmation candle. If this closes bearish, I would then be looking to take the trade. I'm seeing lots of wick rejections there, but I need a little bit more confluence to capitalize on that evening stop. Take a look at USD/JPY. So, like I mentioned, USD, U, J, excuse me, yen is strong. However, dollar seems to be also gaining some strength since Thursday. Actually, since this morning. Wow, since this morning, it's been pushing up. So trading with caution, but still very much short on this pair. I would be looking to take a short position from this level right here. I'm actually going to mark this off as red because it's now a break and retest zone. So sticking with lower highs, lower low, lower low, I'll be looking for a new lower high to be formed upon this level, break and retest, and then trading it all the way down to the support here, or actually just maintaining the bullish channel probably further down. But this is major support. It does need to be broken, break and retest. So I probably would take my profits at this zone, at this level of 149.400. As for the other pairs, not really looking to trade them. I mean, AUD. Oh, actually, we might have an opportunity here. Check this out. So like I mentioned yesterday, the break of the bearish triangle, I said I was looking for it to break either way. It broke down, so clearly yen in control. It then had a retest, and now we're looking like we could potentially have opportunities right here. Reason why I say that is we tapped into that triangle again, tapped into the support, and price is moving down. I do appear to have missed the move, which is okay. I mean, it's just part of trading. I would have taken a short position right there. Look at that. Oh, that is beautiful. Damn. Bearish engulfing candle on the 1 hour. Let's just see where that leaves us with trading this pair. Coming back into this. Damn, we've already tapped it. So my inclination would be to look for a trade right there. Support at 96.42, which is above the pivot level right there, and then trading it all the way down to about 95,360, which is where price turned initially. But like I said, price is currently on the move, and it appears as opportunity has moved without me. But hey, we'll wait and see. We never know. Moving on. Okay, not really trading AUD USD due to just USD volatility. Oh, CHFJPY. So I do expect CHF to break at some point. Look at this. We are actually sitting at our important level. So like I mentioned yesterday, I took my profits there. Price has come back to my level. It has broken the trend line, which is not to say surprising, but it is a level of confluence that invalidates my trade for the yen. So I'm actually not going to trade here today. That broken trend line does give me some warning. It gives me caution, ease of caution. So although we have signals that are appearing on the 15-minute and 30-minute, I do have to wait for either a bigger engulfing break below the support of 167.220 before I actually even look to trade this pair. So yeah, listen to your signals. They're there for a reason. If you have a specific strategy you're sticking to, stick to it. If there's a sign or a confluence that is breaking the trade that you're looking to take, listen to it. It is there for a reason. So until I get a signal that the support here at 167.250 is broken, only then I will be looking for a trade. Potentially a break and retest off that level, or I could look to set my stop losses right there, trade it all the way down. But for now, that is just my analysis. Going to be focusing on those pairs, which is gold, Euro USD, EURJPY, and yeah, CHFJPY for the most part, even AUDJPY. So clearly all the yen pairs. Remember, it's Friday, the weekend is coming up. Not looking to hold trades over the weekend. However, definitely going to scalp some opportunities today. So I hope you all have a fantastic trading day. Please leave your thoughts, like and share. And also remember that this is not financial advice, but rather my personal opinions on what's happening in the market. Have a phenomenal trading day, and I will see you next time.